Are your visitors landing on page not found errors? Is Google silently penalizing your site because of broken links? You want to monitor which 404 pages your visitors are coming to, but you can't find them. You have some good news. Rank Math gives you a built-in tool that can automatically track, monitor, and redirect everything. In this video, I'll show you step-by-step how to monitor 404 errors and set up redirections in a smart way. Let's go to WP Admin Dashboard. First of all, we need to install Rank Math on your WordPress website. If you have a different SEO plugin like Yoast, you can easily migrate to Rank Math within a few clicks, because to manage 404 in redirects, Yoast SEO charges a huge amount. And the funny thing is, Rank Math actually provides these Yoast SEO premium features for free. Even sometimes Rank Math does better. After logging in, go to the Rank Math dashboard. We need to make sure that the 404 monitor and the redirection are enabled. These are already enabled on my website. Then go to 404 setting. There are two modes, simple and advanced. We will show the difference few seconds. Log count is the number of errors. I want to keep all the data, that's why using 0. But I prefer to use 100 or 200. Keep the rest settings normal and save changes. Now let's go to 404 monitor. Currently you are seeing this information. It's because of the simple mode. Let's change to advanced mode. The referrer and user agent are added here. If the referrer section is blank, it means the traffic came from an external website. Currently, I am seeing many 404 errors here because Rank Math has been installed on my website for many months. If you are a completely new user and you just enabled 404 Monitor now, then wait a few days. You will find what the 404 hit your site is getting. I see a URL Elementor coupon. Someone entered this URL this date. I remember having a post published on Elementor hosting coupon code. Maybe somewhere the wrong URL was given, so the visitors are seeing the 404 not found page. I'm going to redirect them to the right post. Click on redirect. Now copy the actual post URL then paste the destination URL. Use a 301 redirect, then save redirection. Let's check this 404 URL in a private tab. Yes, this is redirecting to our desired post. If we refresh, this hit will be increased. Now you can find how many people are redirecting from this broken URL and when it was last accessed. So this is the video on how to monitor your site's 404 not found pages and redirections using Rank Math SEO plugin. If you found this video helpful, then feel free to like this video. And if you want us to make a detailed video on why the Rank Math free version is far better than Yoast SEO Premium, then comment below. Thank you.